Location: enchanting northeast India. Terrain: waterlogged paddy fields and dense forests with the highest rainfall in the world. Extraordinary conditions: a global pandemic and a nationwide lockdown. Yet a promise to keep to the people, to bring affordable, reliable and quality 24/7 power. This is the Mega Northeast Region Strengthening Scheme NER-II Power Transmission Project, a beacon of hope and light for one of the most power-starved regions, the Northeast.
The real problem is in transporting that last unit of electricity to the most underserved of households, not only in India but around the world. While there's an abundance in production of power, there's a massive scarcity in the distribution and transmission of power. And that's precisely the problem that Sterlite Power wants to solve.
Northeast India is blessed with a pristine bounty of nature, a region otherwise characterized by abundant natural resources and unparalleled biodiversity. It has remained untouched for the longest time. The needs to have better power supply resulted in a comprehensive scheme for strengthening the transmission and distribution system in the Northeast region. This promises to not only strengthen Northeast India's network, but also to connect this region to the national grid. NER-II covers 3 states: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura. This ambitious project has a total of 11 elements, including 2 substations and 4 transmission lines. A total of 1,017 towers were to be erected, spread over a total distance of 356 kilometers. A whopping 3,000 megawatt electricity will be evacuated to provide reliable power to more than 53 million people. The interstate transmission line faced umpteen geographical hiccups. The hilly terrain and dense vegetation made accessibility a challenge. With the rainy season extending from 7 to 8 months, we were left with a working window of only 4 to 5 dry months. The altitude posed yet another challenge. Creating approach roads to transport material coupled with constructing the tower's foundation was a Herculean task. Not soon after, we found ourselves in the middle of a global pandemic. COVID-19 led to a strict nationwide lockdown in March 2020. This insidious threat shrouded the project's activities. All manual methods were called into question, fearing for the safety of the crew. Enter the AS350B3 by Airbus, our winged helper. With this lightweight helicopter, manual head loading methods were mechanized, making movement of construction materials safer and more efficient. After 48 months, the corridor is now complete and charged. With tremendous local support and collaboration, we have delivered responsibly and sustainably. From conducting multiple livelihood training and skilling programs to providing all possible help to vulnerable communities, we have and always will try to bring about positive change for communities. Completing yet another project successfully, we at Sterlite Power continue living up to our core purpose, empowering humanity by addressing the toughest challenges of energy delivery.